Today we came here for this important initiative put together by GIZ and Ghana Digital Center Limited. It's been a great initiative where they try to build up the relationship between the gig workers and the platform users. And coming from an HR perspective, I like the fact that they're trying to build upon the working conditions, coming up with policies to consolidate that. And it's been great.
The gig economy is characterized by workers who work some sort of freelancing, short-term based contracts, and it's unlike the traditional working conditions we know. We had this roundtable discussion where we talked about the general working conditions of the gig workers. We want to make sure that they are protected, they are handled well, and that they are generally, their remunerations are handled in a manner that is good for them at the end of the day. You should join the gig economy because it's thriving, it's doing well, and Ghana is definitely doing excellently in this area.
Today I joined in the program with GIZ on Gig Economy, and it has been a success because we've been able to achieve what we came here for, to be able to set up a committee and also give the modalities for which the committee will be working. Interestingly, this is going to help in creating a space and opportunity for the gig economy workers so that they will be able to also have an environment or a working space that will benefit them as they work in Ghana.